Welcome to my channel, kids. Let's learn together. Let's learn sight words he, she, and they with sentences. Use of he. He used for boys and it is singular person. He is playing. He is playing. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. He is painting. He is painting. He is eating. He is eating. He is swimming. He is swimming.
Use of she.
She used for girls. It is a singular person. She is writing. She is writing. She is eating. She is eating. She is dancing. She is dancing. She is reading. She is reading. She is cooking. She is cooking. Use of they. There are two or more. So we say they. They are running. They are running. They are cycling. They are cycling. They are hiking. They are hiking. They are fishing. They are fishing. They are farming. They are farming. Use of it. Used to refer to objects in the singular. For example, it is an ice cream. It is raining. It is raining. It is snow falling. It is snow falling. It is crying. It is crying. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is a dog. It is a dog.